And so when we see all these pictures, once again, of the geometric energy emitters that are being used for interaction between the netters, the higher conscious forces of nature, and human beings who are at the higher initiate level, this was understood by the French to be related to what they named the shape-caused wave, meaning that there are particular subtle radiations coming from geometric shapes and forms. That is the true science of sacred geometry. Much of what we describe in modern metaphysics with sacred geometry is an intellectual aspect of it, but not the actual energy science of it. In ancient Egypt, they used the energy science of sacred geometry and the power of the shape-caused wave. So the Ankh is not just an intellectual symbol that represents life, it actually emanates a penetrating carrier wave from its base and the opposite vibrational wave from its top. That's why in pictures from ancient Egypt, you'll sometimes see the top going toward the nasal cavity into the brain of the person, and sometimes they'll be turned around the other way for the base. They're completely polar opposite energies that in the biogeometry class starting tomorrow, we'll be describing as what the French called the positive green and negative green vibrations. Negative green is a very powerful carrier wave, very penetrating. This is an artifact that the French researchers found in the Louvre Museum. It was brought back by the Napoleonic expeditions. And the shapes on the side combine to create a vibration at the top where they would place a vessel, and the liquid in the vessel would receive a composite vibrational wave from the totality of the shapes. So this then led the way to other researchers, such as de Belizal, to be able to use the equipment that they developed to directly detect these subtle vibrations, to be able to do a type of vibrational spectral analysis. So just as in modern science and technology, we use electromagnetic spectral analysis to understand the component energetics of any system, so this can be done at a vibrational level with much more subtle energies as well. So for example, here de Belizal is able to detect the different vibrational qualities, and they're referring to the vibrational qualities in terms of colors. But what we must understand is that color is only one way that a vibration can manifest. This is what we call quality scales in biogeometry. An invisible vibration can manifest in the scale of light or pigment as a color. It can manifest in the scale of sound as a tone. It can manifest in the scale of shape as a particular geometric form.